Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cryptocurrency blog with Bitfinex, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Create an account on Bitfinex by visiting their official website. Fill in the necessary information to set up your account. Verify your email by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Bitfinex account. Navigate to the API section in your account settings. Generate an API key for your blog by selecting the permissions needed. Copy the API key in secret to a secure location. Choose a blogging platform that supports cryptocurrency content, such as WordPress or Medium. Sign up for your chosen blogging platform. Select a domain name that reflects your focus on cryptocurrency. Set up your blog using the platform's guidelines. Install necessary plugins to enhance your blog's functionality. Create essential pages including about, contact, and privacy policy. Start drafting your first blog post on cryptocurrency topics. Include relevant keywords to improve SEO for your cryptocurrency audience. Integrate your Bitfinex API key into your blog for real-time data. Add charts and graphs if applicable to give readers visual insights. Engage with your audience through comments and social media sharing. Regularly update your blog with fresh content to maintain interest. Monitor analytics to understand your audience's preferences and adjust accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.